Hi, I'm Richard Felson from TCL Electronics Australia and New Zealand. Today, I'm just going to give you a brief rundown and explanation of what Mini LED, specifically in the TCL X10 series. A regular TV, obviously you've got your LCD panel and you have lights behind the LCD panel, or LED lights that basically shine through the LCD panel, and that's what actually gives you the brightness in the picture. Now, look at what I've got on the screen here. You've got a lot of black and you've got the white square in the middle. Now, you have, on a conventional TV, or as I said, there are LED lights all the way behind the back of the TV. Now, if the lights are all on at the same time, so this is, say, a standard LED LCD TV, you're still going to get a glow or a haze coming through, even through the black screen. Obviously, your white's going to look white, but it gets sort of, but where it goes from white to black, you're going to get hazing, you're going to get glowing through the screen. Now, if you were to turn those lights off where there is a black screen, obviously that black's going to appear pure. But when you have, obviously, a certain number of lights or LED lights behind the screen, it still is very hard to get that pure black. With Mini LED, those LED lights are small. They're so small, so effectively you've got an entire array of lights. Now, in each one of these lights, you have zones that are completely controllable. Okay, that's what we call local dimming. So for example, what you're seeing here on the screen, you will have the lights illuminated behind where this white square is. All the LED lights are on. And obviously where it's black, the LED lights are off. Now, comes down to there's controllable dimming zones. So the TV itself has the ability to control all the zones. Now, the 75-inch has actually 900 controllable zones. The 65-inch has 768 controllable, or as we call them, dimming zones. So even if this square was to move across the screen, you will get lights turning, you will get the LED lights turning on and off as that moves. And again, that's giving you a super high contrast in the TV. Now, our Mini LED also features quantum dot technology. So with the quantum dot, your color reproduction is super accurate. Your whites are pure. All this put together just gives you a brilliant end result for picture quality. For more exciting tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel.